Nature's calling. Nature's calling. Can you hear her song? Take that path, it won't steer you wrong. The river don't argue, it just rolls on by. The stones grow smoother with the passing tide. The current finds a way where there wasn't one before. Nature's calling. Nature's calling. Can you hear the sound in the rolling hills and the solid ground? Every bird, every breeze, every waterfall has a little piece of truth for us all. When the world's too loud and your spirit's worn, step outside where every day's reborn. Take a deep breath, let your worries fall. Nature's calling. The tallest pine never boast how high. The birds greet the morning before you and I. A fallen old tree gives new life once more. Nature's calling. The mountains don't chase what tomorrow might bring. The sunrise arrives without asking a thing. The stars shine brightest when the night's standing still. Nature's calling. You don't have to search for all the answers. Sometimes they're waiting where the wild things grow. Slow your pace, open your heart, and let the quiet show you what you already know. Nature's calling. Can you hear the sound in the rolling hills and the solid ground? Every bird, every breeze, every waterfall has a little piece of truth for us all. When the world's too loud and your spirit's worn, step outside where every day's reborn. Take a deep breath, let your worries fall. Nature's calling. Nature's calling. It's been talking all along. Take that path back to where you